Have you ever looked at those cinematic AI videos trending online and thought, there is no way I can make that. It looks too complicated. Well, what if I told you that in just a few minutes, you could be creating movie-level scenes without lifting a finger? I'm talking about syncing audio, video, and character movement perfectly. I'm going to show you a tool called Wan 2.6 that is completely changing the game. Stick around, because if you skip the workflow I'm about to show you, you might end up wasting time and credits on bad generations. Let's get into it. Welcome back to Benedict AI World. If you are new here, we talk about the best AI tools, how to make money online, and how to automate your life. Before we dive in, do me a huge favor. Hit that subscribe button right now. Seriously, just tap it. It helps me find these hidden gems for you. Done? Awesome! Today we are exploring Wan 2.6, and trust me, this isn't just another video generator, it's a beast. So what exactly is Wan 2.6? Put simply, it is a native multi-model AI video generator. That is the key word here, multi-model. Most tools just generate a silent video, and you have to struggle to add sound later. Wan 2.6 understands images, text, audio, and video all at the same time. Let me show you what I mean. Look at this clip of these Terracotta Warriors talking. Do you see that? The characters are stable, no weird morphing faces. But look at the lip sync. It's natural. The audio and the visual are generated together. This creates a level of realism that is really hard to find elsewhere. You don't need a camera, and you definitely don't need editing software to sync this up manually. Okay, let's talk workflow. I like to keep things simple so we can actually get work done. The process is 3 steps. 1. Write a prompt. 2. Paste it into Wan 2.6. 3. Hit generate. But here is the secret sauce. The quality of your video depends entirely on step 1. If you write a boring prompt, you get a boring video. And I know you're thinking, Benedict, I'm not a Hollywood script writer. Don't worry. We are going to let ChatGPT be our director. Let me show you exactly how to do this. I'm opening up ChatGPT. Instead of guessing words, let's ask for something specific. Let's say we want a scene inspired by a famous movie. Let's go with The Dark Knight. We want that gritty, cinematic look. Watch this. I'm typing, write a detailed AI video prompt for a cinematic scene inspired by the movie The Dark Knight. A vigilante standing on a rooftop at night, overlooking a glowing city. Focus on dramatic lighting, rain textures, and a dark, intense mood. See that? ChatGPT instantly gives me a structured prompt. It describes the wet concrete, the neon reflections, the brooding atmosphere. This is crucial because Wan 2.6 loves details. I'll even ask ChatGPT, make it shorter, under 15 seconds, but keep the visual details high. Perfect. Now we have a professional prompt without doing any brain work. All right, let's take our Dark Knight prompt and head back to Wan 2.6. I'm pasting it right here in the text box. Now, while this generates, I want you to notice something. Because Wan 2.6 is a foundational model, it understands physics and lighting. It's not just pasting images together, it's simulating the scene. I'm clicking Generate. Wait a few moments. And boom! Look at that result. Look at the rain on the suit. Look at the city lights in the background. It captures that Christopher Nolan vibe perfectly. No manual color grading required. This is why I love this tool for beginners. A lot of you ask me, how do I start a faceless channel? Or, how do I make high-end content for clients? Wan 2.6 removes the technical barrier. You don't need to know how to light a scene. You don't need to hire actors. If you can use ChatGPT to describe a movie scene you like we just did with The Dark Knight, you can create it. Before you go try this, here are 3 tips to make sure you succeed. And this last one will save you money. Tip 1. Be specific with visuals. Use movie references like we did. Tip 2. Define the mood. Dark and intense gives a very different result than bright and happy. Tip 3. And this is the big one. Use ChatGPT to perfect your prompt before you generate. Why? Because AI tools run on credits. Every time you hit generate on a bad prompt, you are throwing credits and money down the drain. Let ChatGPT fix your mistakes first, so when you paste it into Wan 2.6, you get a perfect video on the first try. Work smarter, not harder. So, are you ready to become a director? The link to Wan 2.6 is down in the description. Go give it a try. If you found this tutorial helpful, please smash that like button. It really helps the channel. And let me know in the comments, which movie style are you going to try first? Titanic? Star Wars? Or maybe your own story? Thanks for watching Benedict AI World. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video with more tools to help you create and earn. Peace.